Hello, hello. Oh my god, it's been a while. I am in Vancouver. I am producing a big wedding this weekend, so I just thought I'd do a little bit of behind the scenes of what I'm doing and what's happening. The wedding is on Sunday and it is Wednesday right now. I am going to the wholesaler to pick up a whole bunch of my hard goods, as well as look at my flower order and to see like what I have there, and just finalizing like all the bits and pieces. I'll be all over the place, so I will probably video as much as I can. Anyways, I hope you are well. Thank you so much for being part of this journey with me. It's gonna be an amazing one and I cannot wait to show you around. Alright, this is the wholesaler I shop at. These babies. This is my order. Oh. Just loading up the car. These are the baby's breath I'm taking home with me. Got the candles, chicken wire, some of the foam cages, some hardware. Hello. It is Thursday. I need to breathe. Even yesterday, I wasn't even able to video the rest of my day. I am back at the wholesaler right now. Just writing a little list of all the things that came to my mind when I was driving here, and I was like, I need to pull over so I can write my list. To pick up fruits, pick up the name stickers. These beauties, look how stunning they are. Just gonna carefully place them into my car, into water, so hopefully I won't damage them, but we'll see. This is my new passenger. How do you guys like it? So cool. And the car is pretty much full. I have faith in myself. Hello. It is Friday morning. Lots has changed, lots has happened ever since. I am in Langley. Just picked up a little wall mural with their names on it. So that's my little present. I'm gonna be at the hotel at 9:52. So the production starts today. I'm excited. I have to go rent a truck. Lots is happening. Wish me luck and I'll show you around. I promise you this time I'll show you more. Just rented a truck with Doreen. She's helping me for the wedding. And we're just gonna go pick up a whole bunch of rentals and show you more. See you guys. Just at the loading bay. It's our little truck going up with all the Debute goods. Just at the ballroom. Honestly, I haven't had a chance to do much, but here's a little update of our room. It's coming along. just putting the linens on. A lot has come together. Just unboxing candle sticks. These will get water and floating candle. It's gonna look super good. These are some of our other candles going on the round tables. And hi Stacy.
Hey.
And yeah, we're so kind of they brought us a bottle, you know. Amazing. Oh, you guys, this is amazing.
Just if we have spare chairs, some of them, what we can do.
So we're getting mirror tops. That makes a huge difference because sometimes you don't want to spend on linen, which I think that's also an amazing thing. But this is another awesome thing because look, you can have the reflection of the chandelier into your mirror, and then the candles and the flowers, it just looks double. So it's gonna look so much better. It's coming along. I am so excited, you guys.
It's like coming together.
It's coming together. This is my little sketchbook. This is for the ceremony. This is for the cocktail hour. This is for the reception that we're in right now. And this is for the cake table and the little swing that we're doing. All right. Just got home. It is 7:58, so almost 8 p.m. I am just gonna like lay down for probably like half an hour and then load up my truck again with all the flowers that we have, take him to the hotel, return the truck overnight and pick up my car and come back home. Tomorrow we're gonna start on flowers, so it's gonna be really good. I'm really excited that things have been moving forward, and I can't wait to show you more. Okay, love you guys. Okay, for most of you guys that don't know, I work from home. So this is the backyard. Look at these baby's breaths, lots of these, over 2,000 stems. Then let's go to the side, all the cup flowers. Obviously there's a big mess, but we got some Lysianthus roses, stock delphinium, and look at these babies. Lots of vines and eucalyptus, and I want to show you a few more things. The garlands that is gonna go on the table, they're all seeded eucalyptus, plomosas, and I want to show you all these greenery. Do you see them? I actually found them at the park. There was this big tree that they cut down, so it looks pretty good. 10:29 p.m. Our second lot of Pan Pacific. A whole bunch of flowers. Alright, it's 11:30 p.m. We're about to leave the ballroom. Got all the flowers unloaded to the ballroom. Things are coming along. I'm putting the cake over there. Excited. It's the head table. Morning, it's Saturday at produce department store or wholesaler, picking up some fruit for this wedding. So follow along. This is my very first time here, so we'll see. It's Jay from Jevents Planning and Design. All right. Oh, he put 2 cases of these for me.
Yeah. Is it right?
Yeah, sure. And those are the Bose pears.
Yes.
Just want to make sure. Yeah, that's awesome.
Right?
Yes. Thank you so much. beautiful vines. Okay, day 2. Production is happening. Lots of flowers are happening today. We just put those beautiful sheer runners that I got from the fabric store there. Looks so good. Okay, let's get to work. Progress. I'm coming to help you. Putting the charger plates. Do you see my little swing down there? Ooh, it's looking good. Yes. Hello, Michelle. Let's just remember these that I found at the park. Look what a big difference it made already. Oh my God, it looks so good already, you guys.